Well, don't you just love the smell of fresh bread baking?
Man, who doesn't love bread, right? Well, that's what's in the oven as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Hey guys, today we're gonna make our own dinner rolls. Why, you ask? Why not? It's so easy. Check it out. For this, you're gonna need self-rising flour, whole milk, and mayonnaise. That's it. Usually when you make bread, you have to use yeast, you have to let it sit, you have to knead it. It's all this drama and work, and I don't know, you guys know me, I'm lazy. I am using self-rising flour, and that takes all that drama out of this recipe. So we start with that. Then we add some whole milk to this. Then we add the secret ingredient, 3 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. How heaping is heaping? Your call. And mix. Make sure to scrape the sides and use a whisk. No electric mixer here. Get as much of the lumps out as you can. It's not that hard. And we're ready. Grab your muffin tin, spray it, get it in there. Now just take a spoonful, add it to the muffin tin. Doesn't have to be neat, about 3/4 of the way full. You're not gonna believe how good these things are. We've got a 375 oven. We're gonna put them in here for about 15 minutes till they're nice, golden brown, fluffy, and ready to eat. Look at our dinner rolls. They are so yummy. We're gonna hit the tops with a little bit of melted butter. Ooh, to give it that little extra love. Homemade dinner rolls, yes you can. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Nerey. Bon appetito.
All right, Belkys, you can find more information on this and other recipes on our website, WSVN.com. Click on Entertainment and then on Bite. That's also where you can dig into Belkys' Bite blog.